Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This tournament, this league, the name is Tez Raftar Super League. First ever such initiative we have organized, United Bank Limited, in association with Al Ansari Exchange, UAE. The purpose of this tournament and this league is to engage the community through their favorite game and to promote legal remittances to Pakistan. So we have nominated and selected the team across the UAE. There are Abu Dhabi teams from Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, all Emirates has been engaged, and we are promoting legal remittances to Pakistan.
So today's this event has been organized with Al Ansari Exchange and UBL. The main message behind this event is we have gathered the Pakistani community from all 7 Emirates. The main message is to say no to illegal channels. Send legal money to Pakistan. Your hard-earned money should go through legal channels. It will promote Pakistan's economy, and at the end of the day, it should be secure and safe.
मैं पाकिस्तानियों से ये दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि लीगल तरीके से रेमिटेंस पाकिस्तान भेजें, और जो यूबीएल की ये काविश है क्रिकेट के थ्रू वो यंग जनरेशन को एंगेज कर रहे हैं और मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि एक तो अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें, ग्राउंड में आए, खेलें, और उसके साथ साथ जायज तरीके से अपने मुल्क को सपोर्ट करें, अपना पैसा जायज तरीके से भेजें।